Hi, it's Jim again. Let's talk just a little bit about my expectations for your work during the next 8 weeks. Once you sign on to Canvas, look over on the left-hand side and you'll see a link to the syllabus. That syllabus will list all the course policies as well as the due dates for the various things that you owe me over the course of the semester. In the syllabus, I talk about some basic things. Like for instance, don't plagiarize. If you plagiarize, you're going to fail the course. I expect academic honesty. I also talk a little bit about what I expect from you on the discussion boards and the quizzes, etc., etc. The course is structured around 3 distinct units. The first 2 units each go for 2 weeks, so a month basically for the first 2 units. Unit number 1, which we start this week, is focused mostly on storytelling and the short story. For this portion of the course, you're going to be reading James Joyce's short stories located in the book Dubliners. I'll put a link online in case you haven't got it yet, because you can find it online. It's past its copyright date, but I also ordered a very cheap version for you. For each of the 2 weeks of this first unit, and this runs true for most of the semester, I will give you 2 discussion board questions. The first one must be done before Wednesday at midnight. So you'll go on, after you read the short story that's assigned, you'll go online, read my prompt, and you'll respond to it in a thoughtful, well-written response. And then you have to go on and read the other students' responses and respond to at least one other student. And that's the basic the pattern that you're going to use all semester. So the first one is due Wednesday night at midnight. The second one will be due Sunday at midnight. And that'll take you through the week, Monday through Sunday. And then we'll start again. At the end of each unit, each distinct unit, you'll have a project or a paper due, and that's described in there. You can read about it in advance. And you'll also have a quiz that you have to take. The second unit will ask you to look at the graphic novels. We're going to read 2 modern graphic novels, look at them and talk about how language and the images come together to tell the story in a unique way. And the very last unit is 4 weeks in length. Unit number 3 is a little bit longer, and in that you'll be watching 2 full movies that you'll have to get access to. One is Citizen Kane and the other is Apocalypse Now. They should be easy to find. If you have Netflix, Amazon Prime, you might be able to stream it or at least rent it that way. You can also rent those through iTunes or through your local library or video store. Also,